Hey guys, it's Bodie with IPTVWire.com. In this quick video, I just want to let you know about the release of Kodi 20.5 Nexus, which is now the most stable version of this software. But before I dive into the details of Kodi 20.5, I first want to make note that Kodi is available inside the Google Play Store for installation. It has over 50 million downloads and almost 330,000 reviews from Google Play. And because Kodi is inside Google Play, we can be certain that this application is 100% legal to install and use on our devices. So heading back over to Kodi 20.5 Nexus, I do have an article here on my website at IPTV Wire, and I will leave a link to this and everything else that I mentioned in the video description below. So Kodi 20.5 Nexus. Now, if you remember my last video where I covered the release of 20.4, it appeared that 20.4 was going to be the last version of Kodi 20 until Kodi 21 was ready for release. So here's the word from the developers on Kodi 20.5 Nexus. They said, Nexus just won't end, it seems. We're back already, this time what we hope will be the final release of the Nexus line. Welcome to 20.5, an assortment of bug fixes, some backports, no real new features, and then full changelog on GitHub as usual. So here's a full list of changes on their GitHub page. I'm going to X out of this. And then here's some just quick notes on the release notes of Kodi 20.5 Nexus. So looks like they did some controller changes here. So this is a really technical nitty-gritty detail. There's some updates on Android devices, Linux, iOS. So on Android, it looks like there was some great work done by one of the developers that fixed a bug. And then here's just some notes from the developers. Thanks as always to everyone who helped us track down and fix any issues. We endeavor to minimize the issues everyone experiences, but with such a large project and the fact everyone contributing to Kodi is a volunteer, issues and bugs are a part of life. So guys, please keep that in mind that the Kodi developers are volunteers, which is pretty incredible when you look at the power of this open source software. And then it goes on to talk about installing Kodi 20.5 Nexus. And if you want to do that, you would head over to the official Kodi website. And here is that press release noting about 20.5. You would click download. You'd scroll down and you'd click whatever device you were using. So if you're using a Fire Stick, for instance, you would click Android. And right here it says Kodi 20.5 Nexus. So this is the most stable release of this software. And then you would select ARM v7a 32-bit. That is the best working file after our reviews team has tested. So guys, one more quick note is that if you are in the market for a VPN, I do have a special discount for Surfshark VPN, which is our #1 recommended VPN at IPTV Wire. You'll see here you guys can get this for under $3 per month, and that will protect yourself online. And guys, that is how I am able to support myself and this channel when you use this Surfshark link that you can find below this video. So that's it, guys. That's just a super quick video letting you guys know about the new release of Kodi, which is 20.5 Nexus. It appears this will be the final version of Kodi 20 according to the developers. So I would expect Kodi 21 to be the next update video that I will cover for you guys. And again, this is Bodie with IPTV Wire. Truly appreciate you guys watching this video. Be sure to comment below. Let me know your thoughts on this release of Kodi 20.5. Like this video, guys. Also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope you all have a great day.